Oh, hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'm playing some Animal Jam with my cousin number 2. Say hi.
Hi.
So, that's right, he just said hi. So, I am waiting for him to log in. So, cousin number 2, when you get in Animal Jam, meet at my den, okay? Okay. So actually, I'll be at the arcade and tell me when you are in, Animal Jam, okay? Cousin?
What?
So tell me when you're in Animal Jam.
Okay.
Okay. So, waiting for other jammers. Okay. So I finally found out how to screen record after years and years and years and years and years. So I'm surprised that I actually found out. You guys need to laugh or else. Da 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 ba da 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 ba da ba da ba da ba da da ba da ba da ba da ba da ba da ba da ba. Oh la da da ka da lo da ba da do can. Okay, hey, cousin number 2, are you in Animal Jam yet?
I'm gonna be in like a minute.
So if you didn't hear that, he will be in a minute. So I am just let's actually check out the party. So best guess. I'm awesome at this game. I won like one time. I'm the best player at it ever. You don't even know how good I am. Okay, sorry, that laugh must have been Travis. I don't know. Yes, I guess. I don't pay attention to science. I was wrong. Oh, I thought it said flexible knife. Baby bats drink milk from their mothers. No, I don't know. Oh, I was wrong. I'm always wrong. Ladybugs, I don't even know what that says. I guess, yeah. I'm not even paying attention to what that says. Like, what? Yeah. Okay, here now you can see the questions. I moved my screen recorder thing up. Yeah, sure. Cousin, are you here yet?
Well, I'm turning it in where it says the gamer security check. So where does it go?
Oh, okay. Female gorillas mature at age 2? Yeah, I guess. I think I heard that. Or was that I matured at age 2? Yeah, I don't know. Yay, I was correct. I really want to be a member again. It's so, raccoons are not great swimmers. Yeah, sure. Yeah, I know it. I want to be a member so bad. I'm just, oh, I was wrong. I was just, like, I don't like being a non-member. Yeah, I don't even know what that means, so I'll put false. Okay, sloths are not related to armadillos. Yeah, armadillos. Armadillos. False. They are. Oh, I was right. I was just guessing. Okay, next question. Black bear clubs leave their mothers immediately after birth. Well, I don't know. I don't pay attention. I don't even own a bear. Wait, I think I do. Okay, I hope that laugh isn't toxic. Tasmanian devils are... Wait, they exist? Oh. Guys, if you haven't noticed, I just go with the crowd. So, pandas eat very slowly. Well, they look like they do. So, when I go to, are you in?
Well, yep, I'm coming in.
Oh, he's coming in. Let's leave this. Okay, so, cousin, go to my den. Okay. So I am getting that. Yeah, good. This is set up. Okay. You are a magician. Okay. Do you want to trade, cousin? Stop moving around. Okay, thank you. Can you put something on trade? Cousin? Hello?
Hello.
Can you put something on trade? Can you put something on trade?
Hey.
Okay. If you didn't hear, he said K. So, oh, I got given this Cammy's Frog by AJHQ. As you can say, oh, they're all accept. Thank you, cousin. So anyways, AJHQ, is my buddy, and also in a live stream, they gave me this Cammy's Frog and the AJHQ, and they said my username sounds like a professor's name. And yeah, so, Sir Wolfie Pants, I didn't know I was buddy to you. Well, okay. Oh, I was recording for 7 minutes and 6 seconds. Can you believe it, cousin number one? Seriously, can you? I don't know what you said, but I agree.
I said it's unbelievable.
Oh. Wait, Steve? Whoa. You're rare. Okay, oh, cousin, wanna play, some games? Okay, I will, challenge you to marbles. Okay, it's kind of hard one-handed because I'm holding my hand up to the phone, so I'm like, bro, there I got myself 2 points. So, I finally learned how to screen record. No, he got one of mine out. I gotta get his out. So, we are 8 minutes and 24 seconds in. Congrats if you made it this long. Yes, I'm beating him by 1. Okay. Oh, one of mine is right there, but he just can't get it out. So, yeah. Oh, I feel bad. So, if I go like that, yes, I'm beating him. Okay, so soon he'll be all out. If you don't know, I play, Jailbreak, I play Roblox Jailbreak 2 are you ready for Josh? Capital R, capital U, capital R, then EADY, capital F, then OR, capital J, then OSH, H. So 2 H's. So I won, and I am... What? Tie? I won first. No, please no, please no, please no, please no, please. I bet he won't guess what I'm gonna choose. I'm choosing scissors.
Yes!
Okay, guys, so, I think I have him muted. I'm choosing paper. What? No, I chose rock. What? Animal Jam. I'm choosing paper, yeah. Are you kidding me? Okay, I'll choose scissors. He won't know. I'm joking.
Yes!
Okay, I'm actually thinking of quitting YouTube, so no, I'm not. Okay, I'm quitting. Bye-bye. Okay, no, I'm not replaying. I'm too sad that he cheated. Or I might call everyone who wins a cheater. Hey, I'm gonna end the video in a second, so I need to play one more game. Let's play bowling? No. Okay, I'll play bowling. Oh, stop moving! I can't say yes if we're moving.
Oh!
I'm depressed. Okay, yes, we get it. We get that he... Yes, okay, we get that he did that. Now, it's your turn. Okay, I'm just leaving this game. I'm sorry. Wait, you're still in the game?
Yeah?
Oh, join me. Oh, wait, no. no, not this game. Wait, don't host anything. Oh, yeah, okay, good. Thank you. Okay, so we're gonna end this in, right when we end this. Okay, I have a great spot to go, and then you can't play right now. I know what you're doing. Hey, I'm clicking this. What?
No!
I am, but it's not letting me. My screen is frozen. It's letting me leave. I'm sorry. So, anyways, guys, I'm gonna end this video. So, like, comment, and subscribe. Say bye, cousin.
Bye!
Have a great day. Goodbye.